guys what to do with your asparagus, but before we go any further, can I introduce you to my favorite kitchen tool, kitchen shears. This is so simple for your asparagus. It's like no cutting board or knife needed. You're just gonna use your kitchen shears. So let's go ahead and rinse our asparagus in some cold water, and then we can cut off the ends, and that's it. And so we can use this to broil, we can use it to saute, we could steam it. I love it broiled. It just kind of depends on the thickness of the asparagus, but other than that, you know, easy. It's really easy and comes out delicious with just a little bit of olive oil, pinch of salt, maybe some black pepper or crushed red pepper if you like spicy food like I do. I'll just take a bunch and just make sure that they're even and kind of cut them at the bottom. Right? It's okay if it falls all over the place because I've got it actually going right into my strainer, so it's really easy. And I just try to keep them, you know, about the same size. Obviously you want to cut off the ends that are really white because that's really inedible, so just as a general rule. You know, cutting board required. I love it.